Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I teaching about how to make paper rose just in 9 minutes. Let's learn. First get a 20 by 20 square shape any color paper. Folds to opposite sides of it. And flip over divided half. Divided by half and open. You can see a middle line. Left and right sides to fold to middle line. And do it same bottom and top sides. Do it looks like mine. Okay, you can see many squares like both sides. Get 4 corners and folds like me. After folding 4 corners, watch carefully this step. You can see 2 squares. Yes. And folds like me. Bottom one to the one and do is left and right same. You can see a heart shape. Now watch carefully. Open the heart and flip. Open the heart and flip. You can see 2 boxes and do it same the other side. Okay. And fold fold to left, fold to right. You can see another side, another two sides, and do it same for another two sides. Watch carefully. After do this, you can see mine. If you don't can this like, you have to do this again. Watch this step. Open carefully from the bottom. You can see 4 triangles. And flip like flower, like flip another one of one. Watch like this. Flip like ninja blade and spiral this like circling like spiral. Spiral into smallest, and then you have it a rose. Wait, not ended. Get a 6 centimeter and 10 centimeters green color paper, and get any pencils or pen and roll it, and glue the corner. Glue the corner and cut both sides equally. Excess part both sides equally cut. Get our rose and glue the bottom part with glue. And glue the stick. Wait around couple of minutes and then you have it perfect rose. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.